Hello and welcome back to the channel hardreset.info, and today I will show you how to track packages from AliExpress. Open AliExpress on your phone and go to your account at the bottom right and go to section My Orders. Here find order that you want to track and press button track order, or also it can say view details. So now you should see something similar to what I have on my screen. This is a screenshot of tracking information page, and basically here you can see estimated delivery time, your carrier, your tracking number, and of course your shipping updates right here. So my screenshot, for example, says that shipment is ready for dispatch, and yours can say that item is shipped, arrived at sorting center, or ready for delivery, etc. It all depends on at which exactly stage your package currently is. But if you don't like this built-in tracker, you can copy your tracking number by using this copy button and paste it to universal tracker. For example, AliExpress suggests me that I use tracker that is called 17 track. But actually it doesn't really matter which exactly tracker you use, because they all work according to similar principle. And when you paste your tracking number to tracker, you will see more detailed information about your shipping updates. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more content just like this.